Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we just got on the lot just today, I'm getting ready to put it out, a 2016 Ford Explorer. Now this is a four-wheel drive, it's the Sport trim package. Tell you what, this is a beautiful ride. I'm going to do a quick walk around. We'll go inside, take a look at it, but you've got nice tinted windows. And now this has got a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. It's the Ecoboost. It has twin turbochargers on it. So what this is going to do, it's going to give you more horsepower and torque comparable with a much larger engine, but it's going to get you better fuel economy. So I'm going to go down here. It's hit a button right there. Electric assist on the hatch. Now, beautiful thing about this vehicle, it doesn't have one sunroof, it has two of them. And it does have a third row seating capability. And you can start to see the first sunroof, which is right above the second row of seats. But there's ample storage capacity back here. And I wanted to show you right here, you can actually stow the seats down, fold them, all from push button controls right here. You do have a 12-volt charging unit right here. This is a very, very nice vehicle, and I'm going to show you, it does have a cup holder and storage area on both sides. So let's go back here. You've got a button up here, you push that, and it will close the back hatch for you. Isn't that pretty cool? Talking about technology, we're definitely in the 21st century. But nice tinted windows on this. Beautiful, beautiful paint job that is on this Explorer. I'll go ahead, back away, show you the entire car. Very beautiful rims on this. So let me go ahead, I'm going to open the back door. Black leather interior. I mean, it just wraps around you. It feels so nice. But there is your sunroof there. It does have a shade that will close. And we get up here and you see your second one over top of your cabin in front. So you do have controls for your heating and cooling back in this area. And you also have power supplies. You've got two USB ports right there. And then actually you can plug in a 3-prong receptacle right there. So a lot of options with this ride. Black, nice black trim, red stitching on your panels. So let's go ahead and, oh, before I get in, I wanted to show you, nice feature on this, turn signals on both your outside mirrors. It does have another safety feature. These will actually illuminate, I believe, yellow whenever you have a car that is coming up to pass you. And once they get in this area right here, this will illuminate to alert you if they happen to be in a blind spot. So there's your door panel, show you your controls here. It does have memory seating capability, so you can get in there if you've got two people, say husband and wife. You can preset your settings on your seat to number 1, and the same thing person number 2. So every time you get in here, just push the appropriate button. It will set the seat for you automatically. Your controls for your seating right here, but beautiful inside. Let's go ahead and hop in. Tell you what, get in this thing, I don't want to get out. It's that nice. So I'm going to go, now it does have a push button start. So all you do is put your foot on the brake very gently, push the button. My finger didn't make contact first time. And it actually starts everything up for you. So it's pretty nice. So I'm going to back off and I'm going to show you the steering wheel and the instrument cluster. You do have controls over here for your lights and for towing, because this does have towing capacity also. So you do have several controls on the left side. It'll actually, I'm going to hit this button right here and it will activate features, tire pressure, tachometer, how many miles before you're empty. We were to get some fuel in this thing, intelligent four-wheel drive, and back to your speedometer. And the same thing, well, while I'm up here, I wanted to show you right down this corner, mileage 73,884 miles. You do have controls on the right side of your steering wheel also. It's Bluetooth capable, so it'll hook up, connect with your smartphone. Different controls right here will control this side of your instrument cluster. Let's go over here to where all the good stuff is. Your command center with LCD. It goes on down to your climate control. Now with this unit, you do have heated and cooled seats on both sides. So that's going to be really nice wintertime. Get in here, you can warm your rear end up when it's cold outside. Here you got your gear shift, and this does have mode selectors. So depending upon you know, what's going on outside, I'm going to actually show you as I'm turning this. You'll notice here we're in normal mode. I'm going to turn it, and there's mud rut. Turn it once again, sand mode, and turn it once again, snow, gravel, grass. This is just in case you get into different areas, different applications where you're driving. But you've got two cup holders here. Now the controls, you'll notice right here, are for your two sunroofs. One over top of where you're sitting up front, and your second one, which is over your second row. While we're back here, we'll show you all the ample room that is back here. But this will lift up. You got a nice storage area here, and you have two additional USB inputs. So they've thought of everything on this. So I definitely suggest come up, take a look at this. If you got any questions, feel free to call us at area code 740-992-4443. One other thing I wanted to show you. You hit this button here, watch. It does have a camera in the back. You can turn that, even when you're sitting, turn that on. So I'll turn it off. Now I'm going to put it down in reverse for your actual backup camera. So this is really a nice feature with this car. That once again activates the camera. So we've got this priced very, very fairly. I really don't think that this will last long. So please share this video and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.